I think PhaseX is a revolutionary product. To be able to do tunable white lighting over standard electrical wiring means that in new construction, the wiring is simplified and reduces costs, or in retrofitting an existing lighting control system and replacing the modules in the panel, you can move your investment from the panel mechanical room into the home where you'd actually use it.
What's exciting about PhaseX is that you get the robustness of a wired system, but without the additional wiring, because we're going on the power side. And we're able to use DMF technology, a standard for controlling fixtures and light sources. So we get the highest performance, we get the reliability and robustness of the system communicating on the wired infrastructure, and we get rid of the cost and the complexity of antennas and repeaters.
Basically with PhaseX, having all of the power and communications over the standard electrical wiring, it means there's a lot of homes out there that haven't been able to do this type of lighting in the past without us retrofitting the entire home. Now we can use the home's existing wiring to do tunable lighting by changing the fixtures and adding PhaseX. I would say it probably cuts down on installation time by probably 30 or 40%.
I got the call from DMF that they're coming out with this product line, and I was like, we have a perfect application to put it in our new office. And when they said I didn't have to worry about taking each light and terminating the dolly and the line voltage, all we had to do is just terminate the line voltage, I was like, let's do it. And with limited help, we were able to get it done in like an hour.
The commissioning of PhaseX was done in one day without me having any experience before, so it was very easy. It was just the gateway, and the gateway provided all the DMX logic through the power line control. So it's just like plugging in a fixture.
To be able to hook up to the gateway and address the lights and go through the commissioning protocol was very simple.
We used the DMF commissioning tool and got it online within 5 or 10 minutes, and then just walked around, commissioned each of the lights, added it to the project, and then just was able to group them and the logic that needed. It was pretty simple.
The same wire that's in the ceiling that is controlling the current downlights can now be replaced with a PhaseX DMF module and a PhaseX gateway.
Plug in the device into the path and you can string up to 64 fixtures. The only thing you have to do after that is just go there and assign which fixtures are in which room or in which groups. That's it.
With PhaseX, the same wire that powers your lights can now tune the lights, and you are able to change the color temperature and the dimming individually on every fixture on that circuit.
I think to be able to have tunable lighting in your home is very powerful. It really changes the offerings, and people are realizing how important lighting is to them. Not only being able to adjust the color of the light, but the dimming of the light down to 1/10 of 1% really allows you ultimate flexibility, and because each fixture is addressable, you can change how you use the lighting in the room. Ideally, you want to have the right type of light for the right time of day. It affects your mood, it affects your productivity, it affects everything about what we do all day.
Now that any house that's going to have a lighting system can utilize this technology, it's not proprietary to one manufacturer. You do need to have a lighting system because you're going to need something that controls DMX, but that protocol is used by everything from theatrical lighting all the way to residential lighting.
PhaseX can be used with all the lighting control platforms, Lutron, Crestron, Control4, and Savant. It works seamlessly.
We've had PhaseX system integrated into our office now for about 2 months, and every day when we come in and press the button to turn the lights on, they come on to the color that we want them to. They change as we have presentations, and they can feel what their house is going to be like. Is just important for them. And important for us too, that we know that we can give them the best light that's on the market.
Homeowners want simplicity, and integrators want simplicity when it comes to design, engineering, commissioning. Add robustness on top of that, that's a winner.